Yeah, guys, now we'll be to stay here. Just a little bit relax because I'm hungry. Yeah, so we'll be eat my favorite French fries. See our friend there, Mr. Munir. Hi, Mr. Munir. Hello. And the one there, it's they are looking to me. His name is Ramon, the food server. See, look at here. Maybe you are missed this place. Look at that. This is Asian mess hall. Yeah. Hi guys. Look at that. So every day like this, kain lang ng French fries. Kaya makulit yung kasama, share. Yan si Abu Kalamo. Tingnan mo kung promise din dito sa lugar na to kasi ngayon wala pang tao dahil ang bukas kasi nila 6 o'clock, around 6 to 6:30. Mamaya bubukas na yan, dami ng tao dito. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe naman kayo, like and share and comment. Pag comment time po kayo. Salamat. Bye bye.